Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thanks very much for watching that earwax removal compilation video today. Just two very quick ones. I'll explain why I'm doing this on a Saturday as well for you in a second. But you can see this first patient here, very thick plug with a lot of skin wrapped around it. So we're just getting a good grip on this with the suction tube out. This is coming. You can see all the skin material getting sucked in from around this plug. That's what's been anchoring this into place. Out that plug comes. There you go. You can see it's quite a thick old plug. Now, the reason I'm here on a Saturday and the reason I'm not on the screen, I completely forgot to tell you guys on Friday's video with Taylor that I'm actually on leave next week. So no videos Monday, Wednesday, Friday next week, but back to normal the week after. I'm going away with my family and my lovely little grandson. So yeah, no videos from us. I completely forgot to tell you, which is why I'm not on the screen as well, because I'm doing this from home. So just one more patient in this video. There you go. You can see it's quite a thick plug of wax here. It looks quite soft at the entrance, maybe a little bit of skin just there to that top right hand corner. Let's go in now with the standard size Audiology. Let's see if we can get some of this moving. Yeah, you can see it looks quite soft at the entrance, but it is still holding together really nicely despite being a little bit softer. Let's pull this out. There you go. Don't forget, guys, if you do have problems with your earwax or ear problems in general, you can book an appointment. Check out a link to our page in the bio or the channel page, depending on what you're watching this on. And obviously, if you do enjoy these videos, please like, share, follow, subscribe, and heart for me. That would be brilliant. But you can see, there you go, all come with a little bit of a hair there. Too difficult to get out because it's really wedged against both the eardrum and that canal wall. So I've advised the patient next time they have a bath or a shower just to give their ear a quick swirl under the shower, and that will flush that little hair out. You wouldn't be able to get that away with a suction tube. 1 centimeter, just over ½ an inch there, guys. Well, thanks very much for watching our video, and I'll catch up with you again, not next week, the week after. See you soon, bye.